body. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me. You play me. You my heart, this can't be our first time. We my heart, this still fresh in my mind. Looking for some things that I've been never. You got that shit with somebody but love for the won't fight. You my heart, this can't be our first time. Looking for some things that I've been never can find. Why is this so for me? Just say, you wanna get with me, stop it. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby.
Good morning, guys. Yeah. Good morning, Clay. Okay, today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. I have class. As you may have seen, guys, I'm in Joburg right now. I'm in Joburg. I'm no longer at my aunt's place. I'll go back there by the end of the week. But I'm in Joburg today because I have class. I came here last Friday when we went to get my aunt's new baby. But yeah, I'm in Joburg right now. So right now I need to get up. To eat, bath, eat breakfast, and then leave. Yeah, but I don't feel like waking up, but man, I don't have a choice. I'm crusty, guys. I haven't watched or even brushed my teeth. It's too early in the morning. Like, yo. But I'll talk to you guys once I'm ready to leave. So yeah, I haven't even introduced this vlog. So this vlog, what are we doing in this vlog? I don't know. I don't know if it's a few days in my life or a uni vlog. I think it'll be a uni vlog, yeah. And hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. And welcome back, my love. If you are a new subscriber, please hit the subscribe button, baby, to join our wonderful family. Okay, to get those updates every time I post. Turn on that notification button, please. Okay, because I'm really trying to be consistent here, and I've been pulling through. I've been coming through. Okay, so yeah, please come through with those likes, comments, and subscriptions and sharing and whatever. But yeah, I'm not in my mode today. Hey? I'm not in my Zoom. Like, I'm so tired. Like, I don't wanna wake up. But yeah, I have to, because I have school. Yeah, I'm about to leave, guys. Let's leave.
no stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and pour a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, it's taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. 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 I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm tryna stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the babes. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, and these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in the box. I don't wanna change, cause I'm good where I'm at. Mob tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in the
Couple freakers kill a skull, they collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. When you niggas think it's small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get $500,000 in the Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big tipple. I got the hook up and there really no limit. Dead broke is in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smile is indicated with the J. Little nigga, just another state case. Bury my motherfucker Chase Bank, time to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas pushing, so I gotta rebound it. A nigga tripping like I got $1 zillion. Got the trap jumping like time when I rebound. Then I'm out, and I never talk about it.